Once again, mayam class 8 ki English 1 ki period gi question and answer nainabagi class sida welcome to Ziri. Today we are going to analyze and discuss the answers of lesson number 5, a hero of the struggling masses. That is the very interesting lesson we have studied, we have learned in the previous class. Now we are going to give, analyze and discuss together the answers of these questions. Before starting our class, I would like to share a thought for today. Asisi tarik kunga manga oirini April thagi wakalamalai khongjom lan tang kun gu hungdoi dugi Manipuri singa British singa thengnagiba landugi ko adugi landuda pona brajabasina wahi mahai makhoi gi maruna di yore ekhoi gi maruna di yoba ngamdre makhoi gi maruna yore habidi moi gi kapaiba nomoi bom top singduna ekhoi gi maitai gi lanmi sing Manipuri lanmi sing da sohali adu ekhoina kapiba nomoi bom top maru sing aduna di British ke lanmi sing da sohan mangamde nungai gi dedana ko ekhoi maitai sing katada Manipuri sing katada wana tagi sige idea jiga chanaba budi nate onthok na doini ekhoi da amanga ta thokpadu nate sida ina haining na iside ado ekhoi na hujik leina laiyong jigi lockdown manung jida yum da lebada ekhoi noi sing noi dadi kharabu khangamoi maruina ima baba sing noi gi nahut siliba akhoi gi cheche hoi dada hoi nene hoi kaka hoi di yamna wari bani thabak subam nom phom khang daba sel thok daba aduga nomagi tangai padaba sang daba ya daba posak singdi amata suwat pa ya daba nong hek ngan badigi khoina seasonary ba ya sing hidak toothpaste gi horaga numit hek taba phaw dai khoina seasonary ba kang chitana na ba good night ana layengi posak ana layengi hidak san na ba chinjak hek topa hawa mathelama sembada sinari makhal kaya gi machak sing fijol sing chinjak ki makhal sing decoration gi makhal sing khoina like tam ba sinari machak sing khuding maksi mapalam degi saraga pusilak pot ngaktani iram dam sidadi saraga puthok chaba pot kaisu thuidok na yaude sada chamgi manungda khoina puthom du amani mangai yengone manufacturing company singdom mapani pot ngakta oibani aduna ni ngasi khoina yamna wari se ekhoi si mipan tanga ga hingi se pot si makhoi na lepning mamam da su lepa aduga paisa piraga leige haibada phangdabagi tanja lai se iram dam se da sarga puthok chaba chan thangnabagi pot iram dam se sarga puthok chaba sijina nabagi polam sing ore de ekhoi thoina kaisu waningai leitabani maram aduna aina noida haining ise ko Manipuri singna British ka songnaba lanphamda awaba takhiba adugumna awaba tadanaba ngasi ekhuna sigumba lockdown gi awaba markta tamhauba aba parase mipal tangdana hingba yananaba ningtamna hingba yananaba nakhoina tamliba like sugi mangal sing amadi ahenba tansilakadariba tungni mangal singduga punsillaga nakhoina mapung phaba achauba wakhalok sing leba mi amam oirba matamdadi kari to mathok tai mipal tangdanabagidamak ekhoina siznariba ekhoida darkar oriba posting jigi manungda amam tawrjo khoi puthongna bahona batai adu oiragadi ngasi ekhoina pot phangdabagi awaba mamal hengkatpagi awaba asina singba sing ningba thungdabagi awaba sing asidagi ekhoi kokpa ngamgadoribani maram aduna hojitagi warep lawba tamu khanba tamu mangdanadi madu taibang don thokpa yaroi khandana di ko khallo puthongna bahona si ko hojik ti question answer muk nainarasi. So let us go together to the lesson. Question number 1 aisu phone gi dum padorim ni ko adun phone ji kitang lengthok lengjin togani. You are not required to use notebooks etc ko notebooks pens etc only you need to underline with the help of a pencil or pen through your textbooks. Question number 1, Roma number 1. These are the very short answer type questions. which are carrying only 1 marks is kwa. Aduna pareng mamtang kumagalore. Why did Indians decide to fight for freedom? Karigidamak Indians singna lanteng nanaba ning tam nanabagi warep lore ibano. Paukumsi page number 25 ta phangani. Ahanba paragraph ki anishuba parengda is the British continue to exploit and oppress the people in India. Many decided to fight for freedom. Answer say shideng siko shidaina nakanda thari se. Question number 1, Roman number 1 ana masi underline tawra simi yare. Mathange mukchasi technology su yam wali mina si lengdana khotana tawri se ko ekhoi se mipal tangni sibukta moina saba pot se jing ni sijinari se. Why did Roman number 2 and question number 2 or question number 1 Roman number 2, what did he advocate? Mana michangda leiba ko kari honaba kari haitare ko na mana madugi taunaba kari taunaba madugi to sida answer sidi anga sar hairage ko he question number still re liengi ni ko he strongly advocated the need of popular broad-based mass movement for a successful revolution. Mana miyam yawa pak saukthokpa adugumba lalhau ama oinanabagi madugi maramda mana yamna kana honarami adudi mai pak pa lalhau ama oirani haidra mana khalle ko asi underline toro ure ko. Question number 1 Roman number 3, where are the real revolutionary armies according to Bhagat Singh? Bhagat Singh mot matungna asengba lanmi sing se karai da leigani. Page number 26 ta yaure sum kakhalaga ngasai gi khoina phangriba ahan bagi question number 1 gi Roman number 2 phangibdo adugi hek makha da yawani shidi yaure question number 1 Roman number 3 answer karai digi hogani. He firmly matai diaure Mariam Chetna believe Tajarami that the real revolutionary armies are in the villages and in factories. Thabak suba sinmi sing sina oigani haidana asengwa lanmidi haidana man haikwa. Hogjimu yengsi question number 1 Roman number 3, where are the real revolutionary si tawre Roman number 4 ni huji coin tawduisi. What did Hindustan Republican Army stand for? Hairiba mana yauriba lalhau lupto ma yaubado aduna moina kari gidamak maru in lanthingnaram haibni ko adusu page number 26 ta yaure sida yaure question number 1 Roman number 4 answer sidagi yaure it's a chobun hausi ko noin ithokpada it stood for the abolition of all systems which make the exploitation of man by man possible haibase masib hobo oro answer si mina hek mi bu oligiti adum mana kaido godaba lan togani haibako adugi adom do moigi wakhalon ji lerami haibani. Roman number hojim togdoisina 5, why did Bhagat Singh and his comrade protest against the draconian law adugumba hinchai tambagi masoiraba phatkidraba kaidoba chanabi ain jingdo madugi mayokta kari gidama Bhagat Singh musung magi marab sing yaning dribano. Answer page number 28 ta leire Roman number 1 question number 1 Roman number 5 answer yengsi ko shide yauriba those bills hana haije shide hoduni those bills introduced in the assembly hoigi maruina moi matamda pairiba lengak pairiba mantri mando singna warep lawramba honarami ainani khak pass tongna honarami will virtually empower the British haiba ain singdana British singda hoigi thangai singnamak kana ba pigedabo orami to snatch maduna munba ngamgadoriba almost all the civil liberties and rights haiding ko migi ningtamba miyamgi haksu loina lawba ngamgadoriba ko of the people in general and the workers in particular aduga miyamgi amasung sinmisingi haksingje moina loina lawba ngamgodoriba kanabje British sing oiba ngamgodoriba maram maduna madugi mayokta question number 1 gi Roman number 5 ti alba bagat sing musung magi marab sing lepkhibni ko sima yare question number 1 gi Roman number 6 why according to Bhagat Singh gi mot matung ina should the revolution continue kari gidama ekhoina lal hause sung soi dana chathagadage hojiki ki hek makha da dum yawgadoribani question number 1 Roman number 6 yawrabra yawre ko sidigi hosi daja sobuna hodini the revolution should continue lal haude soi dana chathagadobani ning tamagi lal haudubani ko kaidona ba sidi yawdeni 2 haideni ko 2 noigi like tadum urani to create a social order which will mark the end of exploitation of man by man to miyoibana miyoibasingbu head ot panorigai ot panaiba torigai di kaidoba lalogi sathagani hoje question number 1 gi Roman number 7 dong sangsilasi what was Bhagat's last message magi aroba message karino magi aroba paujel ji miyam da pirambaji karino thoriala halamdai ko sidi yawre question number 1 Roman number 8 his last message on 3rd March 1931 spoke of the struggle in India which would continue so long as a handful of exploiters would go on exploiting the labor of common people for their own ends kachindale given ubakitang watpa ado sida haining is miyoi kujo khara khaktangna leiriba miyam jigi khudong sabsing si loinabak lounanab honarakpa adu aitaragadi lalhauje adum makha chathane ba adu gi thabak to chathari gaidi adu gum sajat to chathari gaidi sini man haije sida noina ten khumbasu ai kitang sangma manbra adu pareng am khaktani ten khumbasu ai akoira kamaina khumbai ai the revolution should continue as long as kaidobata a handful of people continue to exploit the rights and liberties of civil people hai joina tragana admai sum khumsu are ko admaina ten takna khumsu ai si sum direct khumsu ko subscribe laite aduga aroiba 1 gi si page question number 1 gi Roman number 8 how did Bhagat Singh become a martyr kamai to dana mas mama le ba kitamuk thawai ta kraba mi mo oibage page number 28 ta sum phange 1 gi Roman number 8 haidna sidale bisi hodini along with his comrades magi friends single loina Sukdev and Rajguru hariba marup ani ko sigal loina na moisi thoriala hatwini he was hanged ma thorian gre by the British kangbu singna matamde di moi tongbuda kusini ko on 23rd 1931 aduga parengambada loiba yana ba sigi wahai ahumsi kalo he was dead have but adubu he mahaksi kedoba became a martyr di oire mama leba kidamak thawai tagraba changna saga karaba dugumba thongna phaba misak amadi oire ko maraiba majati kidamak kathokraba sisine hojik question number 2 gi amuk yengsi question number 2 gi Roman number 1 sina mark ani pidoni question ahum yauri 2 into 3 is equal to 6 marks kwa sidi yauri se write on Bhagat Singh's life as a student angang oina magi punsi je come down horkhibge masigi paukum simu yengsi ko handakti page number 25 to ki hogdoribani sita dotted line da horisi ko dotted line da singible line jing oidoni question number 2 Roman number 1 answer ure ko ma'am adu sida lere as a student he spent hours in the Dwarkadas library like am pare yanga oringa matam yam balai su padan hori at Lahore reading books like sing paduna on revolutionary movements adugumba lalhobogi maram da ibal like sing ni all over the world malem pumbagi especially those of Russia hari bale bak sigi mathangi senada musminasi Ireland and Italy hojik khoina Italy si maming tani noina poem taradi ko Lainani am soluble amni along with his friend Sukdev Gulunana he recognized several study circles mana like su oraiba kangbu mayam khane karamba makhal gi like pa for serious political discussions yamna haksinna lenga lon gi maram da naina ba adu ma kangbu singi. He was always keen to read and discuss revolutionary ideas. Mahakti matam supada adugumba lalhobogi matangda adugi wakalon nainaba adu yam pamjarami kanagalena na with his fellow students. Magi marup singalona makha hapadi ayabako adu sida sum to sida dot line sing sida matang pareng amagumba adum lahamningai leri sida sum lepasi pabsu yam wadana bako. Question number 2 gi Roman number 2. How did Bhagat Singh view communalism? Communalism je aina nan kitang mayak sing hai bu swala urabani communalism gi matang da kitang amuka hai gi horen ko communalism gi oiba mi yeng si karino si athal ko yaurani page number machine page number 20 ga 7 da le ko page number 27 ji question number 2 gi Roman number 2 gi answer phangdoini ka khala ji mathak ta le re. He always asserted that communalism was as big an enemy as colonialism and that it should be fought. Aduga makhada relentlessly chokthaba naidana aikoina communalism haibaje mayuk nagadabani. Communalism haibadi hoi kanglup jat dharma manadabagi adugumba jati amana atopa jati amabu tathi tawena toba yekna bagumna khanba kwa adugi chanabi otnai bagi sajatu madubuni hanthana angambana khogi aswanba singda tawba haitare ko adugi sajatu buni madu mana kaidoba yamna chokthaba laitana du thengnagadobani haiba madi ko. To him communal killing were barbaric acts. Sigumna communal loiba sajata jat dharma manadabagi mingda mina mibu heart paibasi yamna chawkhattaba sajat lisani. As a communal killer did not kill someone for any reason but simply because the person belonged to a particular community. Asishini aina explain tawningi doko. Communal killing aje kaino haragadi communal killing aje jati manadaba mana jati manadaba amma bo hatorine. Makhoida yeknaba amo oibagi aduga makhoida khanaba horopagi makhoida wahalapagi kari sunateba. Maga dharma manade aduna dharma manadabni na mabu haline. Maral leibayai maral leitabayai maral leitaba mizu ja dharma manadragadi adum haturiba adum yeknaba oina lawdoriba angang oigera nupi oigera ahal oigera angonda awaba pirakera pir oigera dharma jat manadadi adum awa khoi aduguma mizu yeknabani na khalaga hatok pamoida awana ta mi chanabi sajat oiba ko adum masi mana yamna pamde mage mi yengdadi मियो भाई से अमतनी धर्म की जो दोपल लेते हैं सिम अंडरलाइन तोरा मतम याम संगिप्ता रे अमग पिगे सिना लास्ट ओइजी हाउ डिड ही ट्राई टू प्रूव द IRSA was not a terrorist organization हाइदरिमनी माना क्रमाइन तोदना हिंदुस्तान रिपब्लिकन सोशलिस्ट आर्मी हाइबो एरोंगनी को हाइरिबसिंगसी टेररिस्ट मियाम द खंगन की हनबा कांगबु नते मराइबाग मरम दम निंग तंबा पोरंगना होनगिबा कांगबु अमनी हाइबजे कमदौन उतना होनगिगे सिदि यावरे जिकि ममिंग दो को सिदि यावरे IRSA हाइबनी यमको यावरे हिंदुस्तान सोशलिस्ट रिपब्लिकन आर्मी हाइबनी हुजे इन हाइबदु ओनगरबरा सिदि यमको आंसर इस सुनबेगी होरे पेज नंबर 20 आई थी होरे page number 20 ki ahu busena da sidele Bhagat Singh and his comrades magi khongloi sing marup singna decided to make the objectives of the ISRA known to the people miyam the khangan na ba warip lore moi gi kangbu singna kari khangan doriba moi terrorist nate marai ba maram da ning tamba purungna ba hona ba yaw loi singni moi lalobu singni haidana khongjang loi singni haibu unna aduna kaidore hairibagi wakalon singsi mayamda mayak sengna singtokpa yana ba moina midi hat bida kihan khangan bagi thabak chakta gadore sigi dot se singi je sida lepo answer je ko aduga masi singda matek cha kalaga makha ga sing wajigam samjanji to clarify their position moi khongpham moi khongthang sing and their ideas moi gi wakhalon sing do on the need for a revolution the masses miyam su yawbagi mathau tai habdu su khanganaba oina makoina Bhagat Singh and Batukeshwar that threw a bomb in the central central legislative Central Legislative Assembly on 8 April 1929 masida makoina kaidore bomb langzile bomb do mi hatoi nate aikoina bomb do ahang ba jaga da tahalaga pokhai handoi yaning de haiba utoi bomb do mi haninga di mi marta langsilaga moi hat pa yai adu tadi moi terrorist ni haidoi ni adu nate revolution ni haiba unanam ni ko yaning de haiba unanam ni sida owan por ko pami haiba unanam aduga matek simu kalo aduga simuk samjinji ahum subu sarwen samjandoi ni pareng ahumna koi tangka ahumna samjalagan sajasemi the bombs were harmless madu kesu amang ta thogalam de is maduna kari webana they were basically meant to make the deaf hear mana pangudong na ta draba British ki lengak loising madugi mana da ta na namni they did not run sen de mon lemno gi ware ki matungna but quartet arrest moji phale arrest to leko es plan moi hana warep nagrabani hana slang rabni khutul tharang tora thongrabni plan to wei di kwa phanjina in order to use the trial court to spread their revolutionary ideas to the people makoi gi lalhobagi wakalon jing awon ba purpu gi wakalon jing do mayam de yon bangam na ba sini maji terrorist na te revolutionary habje asum to ga moina miyam da moi gi pau yu santu holaga sanana honagi sidelo sinsi se type ki dona mathangi tanjam yenga pige natragane school class or puda muk pige so maramaduna underline toriba sana dota toriba singshina 2 markini aduga pura khoi bracket manung thammi buduna 1 markini masinoi noigi the textbook singa boy kolom la pencil la torga underline toksela siko